front of me is Blackshark SE, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Start by launching Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then you need to select Open under Google and tap on Google Password Manager. Now select the password you wanna check, enter your screen lock and use this eye icon to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!